So guys, in the world of AI, everybody just uses AI to know simple things that we used to Google before. And instead of searching it something on Google, they search it on AI because it can provide various type of responses as per the user input. So the major problem with AI is that guys, the AI, they know a lot about us guys, because we caution a lot to the AI, and then AI get to know about us more and more. And you guys know privacy is a thing, so I think most of you guys will want to run AI locally, right? So in this video we are gonna do that. So guys, if you want to run AI locally in your Windows machine, you just have to do some basic steps. First of all, just go to Google and download something called Docker Desktop, because we will download AI in a Docker container so that it's separate from our PC, and whenever we want to download another type of AI version or something different, we can also remove the previous AI and install the other AI. So because AI needs many dependencies guys, so it will install many kind of packages in your PC which we will not want to do in our local machine, so we'll do it in Docker environment. So download Docker Desktop. If you have Windows, then you can download it for Windows and just install it. So it is an installer to install Docker. I know you guys know how to install some basic applications, so you just have to do next and it will install it. But right now my Docker Desktop is already installed, so I will just run it. So as you all guys can see, this is Docker Desktop. Right now we have containers, images, volume, etc. So right now if you want to install AI, what we will install is something called Ollama, which is very famous, and we have a Docker image for that also. So we just need to pull that image from Docker. Here as you can see, Docker pull Ollama. So just copy this command and paste it in your local terminal. It will pull Ollama from the Docker Hub, and right now my Ollama is already pulled from the Docker Hub. So right now if I go to my images, I'll see the Ollama image here. I have the latest image and this is unused right now. So what we will do is we'll just use this image right now. So to start the container, here we have the command docker run, and we'll use all GPUs and then the image Ollama, and we'll map this port, because this port will tell us that Ollama is running or not. So we'll go to CMD again and then paste this command, press enter. You can allow this, so we'll allow this right now. So here we go, it's done right now. So if I go to localhost and port 114, what's that port? Let me see again. It's 11434. So we'll go to 11434 right now, and if Ollama is running, it will show us that Ollama is running right now. So yeah, we are good with that. Now if you want to run Ollama in your desktop, so we need to provide another command, which is right now docker exec and interactive, then Ollama, and we'll run the llama 3 here. So just paste that command here, press enter again, and it will pull the llama 3, which is about 4 gigs. So yeah, it will need some time, so we'll just wait and let it download this, and then I'll show you if my AI is running or not. Okay, so as you can see guys, this is installed right now. It's a success, and let me tell you, it took some time because my internet is a little bit slow. If your internet is a beast, then you can just download this in minutes, I think. So yeah, right now let's test this. Let's type hi here. Hi, how are you? Let's go. Let's see what it will respond us. So as you can see guys, this is replying us also. So yeah guys, you have installed your first AI on your local machine right now. How cool is that, right? So you guys can do a bunch of stuff with this. So I can go with the words 2 multiplied by 2, then divided by 320, and then multiplied by 200. Let's see what it will respond us with, because I just did something which I also don't know. So as you can see, it's doing stuff guys, and it is also providing us in a new line so that we can better understand this. So right now guys, yeah, this AI is fast and it's local guys. It is using your machine, it is using your GPU or your CPU for the responses. So yeah guys, now this AI is very safe for you. If you guys wanna ask some questions to it, you can ask it, and now your data is also safe. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So if you guys did, then please do subscribe and like this channel. I'll see you guys on my next AI video if you want. So yeah, till then guys, goodbye.